A swap deal may be in cards. Langelihle Phili joining Kaizer Chiefs, Ashley Dupree going the other way with Stellenbosch interested in him. Look, I'm not going to get excited because as much as Stellenbosch are interested in Ashley Dupree, they are not going to, demand less money for Langelihle Phili. They are not. Stellenbosch may be a selling team, but one thing for sure, they don't sell their assets um for what, for um what, low fees or whatever. Yeah, this is a team that demands 20 million for Mendieta, 20 million for Jaden Adams. They rate their players very highly. They are not in the business of making players happy. If they feel like the offer from the club interested is not good enough, they don't mind keeping their player. And they are not, a struggling team. They have the richest owner. You've never heard reports saying Stellenbosch players are not getting paid this and that. So this is a team that's financially stable. So they are not going to get bent over. They are not going to get bent over. I still see them demanding over 10 million, even with Dupree coming the other way. Because Ashley Dupree's in 2026 for Langelihle Phili, it would be an absolute steal. It would be an absolute steal. This is their best player, by the way, 21 years of age. Can play on the right, can play on the left. Very direct, very skillful, very quick. The output is there. 7 goals and 1 assist in the league in 26 games. Only started 57% of those games. So this is what we need. We need a winger who can take players on, who can create, but also can score, have output. Claudine Lepo is the only player, is the only winger, who has output. But then technically, he's very poor, can't beat his man, shoots from everywhere. Pule Modi can't take his man to save his life. He's good at tracking back, but you are a goddamn winger, mate. I don't care what you do off the ball. You shouldn't be starting because you are good defensively. You are a fucking winger. Take some people on. Yeah, get to the byline, cut back, score some goals, catch in, put it in the top corner. He does none of that, So also look at Pasanele Velebai, not ready. Definitely not ready. Who else? Mfundo Vilagazi still needs some polishing. Great talent, still needs some polishing. Yeah, those are the only options we have. So Langelihle Phili walks straight into our starting 11. Straight. He walks in. So this is a deal. We must, make it happen. Competition is